Hey, all, Matt Long, Realtor here. Open house on this last week. Got a little bit of interest on, and also today. This one I'm going to do the walkthrough of. It is 817 Beechwood Avenue, Beechwood Avenue, Lady Lake. This is what's considered the historic area of the Villages. This most what's over here are these mobiles or mobile homes or manufactured homes. There are some built homes where the people have purchased the mobile and demolished it and built a structured home. This home is turnkey, so this golf cart you see here will convey with the property as well as furniture and everything else. Washer and dryer here out in the shed where the water heater is. You can see it has a workshop as well. A lot of people put a second refrigerator out here. This area here, this model, this is actually a breezeway, part of the carport, but they enclosed it to add a third bedroom. All right, we're going to head inside now. Walk in, you got the dining room to the right here. We got the living room to the left. We're going to start, or kitchen to the left. I'm going to start with the kitchen. It's all electric appliances, including that handy can opener. See here, they have this island and design here with cabinets above and below. Take this on into the living room area. And the living room spills over to the dining room. Right here, they had this what was as a patio. They enclosed it. It is air conditioned. Can be air conditioned. Some people leave it open. It, however, does not have ductwork out here and is not considered under the taxable square footage of the property. So you get more square footage and it's not taxed, even though it is under a roof and is closed in. And this is a corner lot. I'm going to show you this here real quick. The outside, it is a corner lot, which is always nice. Right. And back in through the living room into the dining room. This was built in 1984. It was updated a few years back to add this addition. This one was being used as a good size walk-in closet here. This was being used as a vacation rental, seasonal, Airbnb. So that the nice thing is they actually have a little book already put together. Let's see here. If that is what you chose to do with property, it's already set up, a little book there to help people find restaurants and whatnot. Here's the first bathroom of two. Be the main bathroom. This would be bedroom number 2. And all of them have good natural light sources as well. I do turn all the lights on, but they all have good natural light sources to them. All right, down the hallway into the master bedroom, which is a pretty sizable master bedroom, as you can see. And the master was recently updated. And there is a walk-in closet. You see here. Nice size walk-in closet master. As well as this updated ensuite master bathroom. So underheated, this is 1,570 square feet. Again, I said it's built in 1983. It is listed at it's listed at 164,900. If you have any questions about this listing or others, let me know. You can call me at 352-403-3730. Reach me anywhere on social media at Matt Long Realtor, online at mattlongrealtor.com. In the historic area of the Villages, which they call the historic area, you do not have the Village's annual maintenance fee. You do not have a bond. Back out here one more time. We are directly, this is pretty much directly across from Spanish Springs. Come back outside one more time, kind of give a look around, go towards the corner. Close to Spanish Springs, like literally the road, the main road here that heads out at the stop sign here, takes you out to, right out to Highway 27 441. Nice sizable corner lot. So you're close to Spanish Springs, entertainment, golf courses. Down this road here, go straight down here. There's a lake, tennis courts, one of the community centers, golf. So, question on this? Give me a call, 352-403-3730. Follow me on social media at Matt Long Realtor, online at mattlongrealtor.com. Be sure to heart, like, subscribe, emoji, all that good stuff.